Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Trust Wallet token. But before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So let's get straight into the video. Now, if we check the current market cap, it's less than $1 billion right now, and we are yet to see the bull run that we had seen in the past. Like the coin, like the market cap had hit around 3 trillion in the past, and we are one third of it. So if we talk about the Trust Wallet token, the chart is looking pretty strong. If you see, there was a sudden spike today, and if you look at the 7 days chart, it's slowly rising. So this token has a huge potential for the future because this is a native token of cold wallet called as Trust Wallet, and there would be utility for this token in the future. Like they have this thing called as Earn, where you will be able to stake your other cryptos and earn out of your existing tokens, and also you would be able to purchase cryptos at a cheaper price with this token. Now, if you see this Trust Wallet token, it's close to $1 now, and we can see this rise in the future. Although, do your own research before investing into crypto, because crypto investing is risky. And if we see the circulating supply, it's less than 30%. So there is a lot of circulating supply still pending, where you can still be able to purchase this Trust Wallet token. And if you see the maximum supply, it's close to 1 billion. So this token has a huge potential. And if we go in the contracts, if we see this, there is a BEP20, BEP2, and also Solana contract. And if we go in the markets, and you can buy this token on this platform, so there are a lot of options. So if you have uh, your account on any of this platform, you can go ahead and buy it. Like the most popular one is the Binance, where you can directly buy it, or this KuCoin Gate.io also. In case if you don't use Dex or Sex, then uh, you can always use PancakeSwap to trade your BNB with Trust Wallet token, because this is mainly built on Binance Smart Chain, and now they also have the option of Solana. And if you talk about the 24-hour volume, it's close to $20 million, and the fully diluted market cap is close to a billion. So the fully diluted market cap is also good. So you don't have to worry much about your investment. And if we go in the overview, and I forgot to mention you that this token has already been audited by Certic. So the audit and everything is in place, and there are a lot of bullish comments on this token. And as we have already talked about the circulating supply, see, which is around 1 billion, and out of which only 29% or 30% is under circulation. And the all-time high was around 1.65 dollars, and the current price is around 44% less. But still, if the market hits the next bull run, then we can see this token rise very quickly. And as soon as they implement the earn feature, then we can expect the price of this token to rise more. And I have accumulated a bit of this Trust Wallet tokens. I did not use Binance, but I got it on PancakeSwap, because I've just like exchanged my BNB with Trust Wallet token. And leave a comment as to what do you feel about this token, whether you are bullish or bearish. And in case if you have any doubts or questions, please feel free to leave a comment. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.